There's a version of you they can't touch, can't twist, can't confuse, can't buy, can't break. Manipulators don't fear your strength. They fear your clarity. They don't attack your truth. They attack your doubt, your hesitation, the moment before you trust yourself. They weaponize your kindness, your softness, your need to explain, your fear of being too much. They study you, your patterns, your triggers, your desire to be understood. So stop. Stop explaining. Stop overgiving. Stop apologizing for existing. Stop teaching people how to hurt you better. Set rules. Short, solid, sacred. I don't engage chaos. I don't argue with lies. I don't trade peace for approval. I don't repeat myself. I don't justify my no. Your values are armor. Your boundaries are law. Your instincts are intelligence. Your silence is power. If it feels off, it is. If it drains you, delete it. If it disrespects you, end it. If they misunderstand repeatedly, they understand perfectly. No drama, no speeches, no auditions for respect. Just decisions. Don't shout, don't convince, don't prove. Don't jade, justify, argue, defend, explain. Stand still, stand clear, stand rooted, unmoved, unbothered. Watch what happens. Watch how they escalate. Watch how they panic. Watch how they reveal themselves once you stop playing. The version they can't manipulate? She's simple, direct, gone at the first sign. Ghost before the gaslighting. Out the door before the second insult. She says less, sees everything, leaves faster, forgets quicker. She doesn't collect red flags. She sees one, and she runs. They call her cold. She calls it peace. They call her distant. She calls it standards. They call her changed. She calls it awake. They call her difficult. She calls it free. Not everyone deserves access. Not everyone earns softness. Not everyone gets a seat. Not everyone needs an explanation. Your attention is currency. Your energy is gold. Your peace is non-negotiable. Your intuition is intelligence. Guard it. Honor it. Trust it. Stop confusing availability with love. Stop confusing intensity with connection. Stop confusing familiar with safe. Stop confusing loud with right. Real love doesn't confuse you. Real respect doesn't require reminders. Real connection doesn't exhaust you. Real people don't make you guess. The ultimate power? Trusting your voice over their noise. Choosing your truth over their version. Believing your experience over their explanations. Walking away the second respect leaves the room. Become her. The one who doesn't bend. Doesn't chase. Doesn't beg. Doesn't wait for permission to leave. The one who knows. Loneliness is better than disrespect. Silence is better than lies. Nothing is better than crumbs. Empty space is better than toxic company. Become untouchable. Not because you're hard, because you're whole. Not because you're mean, because you're done. Not because you hate them, because you finally love you. Here's the plot twist they never saw coming. You were never theirs to lose. You were always yours to find. And once you find her, that version of you, never let her go. She's your power. She's your home. She's your truth. She's the you you've been waiting for. Choose her. Every time. No matter who leaves. No matter who complains. No matter who doesn't understand. The ones who matter will rise with you. The ones who don't were never your people anyway. This is your permission. Your wake-up call. Your sign. Like the video. Subscribe for more. And share in the comments. What part of you are you finally ready to protect? Which line hit you the hardest? And who is the version of you you're becoming next?